Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to bypass the Windows 11 without connect internet. You can see the option. So you have to press Shift plus F10 and you can see the black screen like this. Type OOBE OOBE backslash bypass NRO and then press enter. To type this command and press enter, and you can see now we'll restart the computer and come back to open without internet connection. You have to select the language, continue, and USA. Next, if you add another layout, you can add. So I add here Saudi Arabia. Next, 101. And now you can see I don't have internet connection. This option before not coming, the same option. So I press I don't have internet connection. Now next, and I can type the PC name and press enter. So put the password, press next, confirm password, and then press next. So here is the question for the password. If forget complete this 3 answer, press next. Now we'll open your computer. It's Windows 11, always without internet you can't open. So now I will open without internet bypass. So finally the computer is open, you can see like this.